Can my 32,608 plus 30 intertwined fates pull C6 Farina?
So currently I'm at 49 PT and I lost my 50-50 to binary last February. And kung ano man yung banner nun. So we will do a single pool to even out the PT para mag-50 muna. So 50. Okay. Okay. 50. Aya perception. Medyo maganda pakitain. We should be perceptive daw. Tsare. So 60. So dahil guarantee to, sure na tayo si Farina ang uuwi. That will be my C2 Farina. So kung early ba siya, baka di 70 na. 70. So hindi pa din. My gosh, Farina. Limited lang ang pools natin, Farina. Roughly 230 pools for your C6. And 70. So 80 PT. Baka dito na sa 80. Please, huwag ka na mag 90. 80 PT. Okay. So, hindi pa masyado nakaka-excite since alam naman na natin na this will be a guarantee for you. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, roughly 75 PT. Umuwi. So, 5. 5. Hindi siya nag-bubble. So, meron na tayong 5 PT. So, syempre, tuloy-tuloy lang natin. So, this will be 15 PT. 15 PT. Kasama natin yung 5 kanina. 15. 25. Hindi mo lang makaranas ng early. Pero sana manalo ng 50-50. 35. Oh, gaming. First ko yun, ha. Kasi ako nag-pull doon. So, 45. Tama ba ako? This will be 45 PT. Right. 45 PT. So, let's do another 10 para na kita natin. Hopefully, early. Di pa rin. So, 45. So, another 10. That's 55 PT. Okay. Okay, gold. Putang ina! Exactly 45 PT. So, 9. So, medyo maaga-aga pa. Baka mag-double. Let's wish for double. Double Farina. Hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng mga double character pools. Oh my gosh. Farina. Pero at least we won our first 50-50 for this session. So 9. This will be 19 PT. 19. Okay. Baka mag-early. 29. Okay. Kaya tayong patikimin ni Genshin ng early pools. So this will be 39. Okay, na pa rin. Okay, 39, 49. Okay. Medyo early. Okay, baka this time double na. Baka double na. Please, Farina. Para mabilis. That's C2, C3, C4. This is my C4 Farina na. May C4 Farina. Okay. Pangalawang 50-50 wins. Okay. So, kinakabahan ako dito. Baka matalo na ako kasi 2 win na. Please. So, this is 19. 19 PT. 29. 39. 39 PT. So, ayaw talaga akong bigyan ng ganun ka-early, no? So, another 49. Okay, medyo tumataas ang re-require. 59. 59. This will be my 69. Tama ba ako magbilang? 69. Okay. So, this will be my C5 if I win this 50-50. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, gusto kong magmura. Gusto kong magsabi ng masasakit na words. Putang ina, third win ng 50-50 in a row. May C5 for Rina. Oh my gosh, so 2. This will be 12 PT. Okay, kala ko back to back. Pero C6, putang ina, baka naman doon pa ako magkulang. Pag C6 na, baka dito pa ako matalo ng 50-50. So 22 PT. Wag naman po sanang gano'n. Wag po sana kayo maparakit. Please give me my C6 for Rina. 32 PT. 32, 42 PT. Okay, mukhang kukulangin pa atay primo gems ko. Mukhang kailangan ko i-exchange yung ilang kung ano mamaya-maya. Pag wala pa siya dito, 52. Oh my gosh. Mag-hard PT pa ata sa C6. So tatalo pa sa may 50-50. Puta. Pero kuha tayo ng another 30 pulls. At least 30 pulls. So 80 na yon. Baka meron na siya doon. Oh my gosh, Farina. My dear goddess Farina, my Hydro Archon. 62 PT. Wala pa din. 70. Wala pa rin. My last 10 pull. Please. 82. Please, sana naman po ibigay nyo na ang C6 for Rina. I've been waiting this for so long. I've been wanting this. Okay, 3 force. Push it! May C6 for Rina and 4th 50-50 wins in a row. Can you believe that? Di ako makapaniwala. I don't know what to say. Oh my God. Parang, ngayon ko lang naranasan yung ganito kaswerte sa mga pools ko sa Genshin. And this is my first 50-50. Ayan. Pero sige, try pa din natin ng isang single 10 pulls si Jwin. Baka mag back to back tayo since we are being so lucky this polling session. Oh, so wala. Hi, si Jwin. I'm so sorry, si Jwin. Ayan. Busin lang natin tong 3 standard pulls. Baka swerte din tayo dito. Hoping. So, kanina, mga at least 12 PT na tayo dun sa may character banner, no? We will do another set na guro ng pulls for Siege Win. We will try. At least baka swerte talaga tayo ngayon. Makakuha ulit tayo ng early pulls for Siege Wins. Pero for now, let's activate the constellations. First, C2. Let the war. Yeah. Mayabang na ako na to. C3. Kikita nyo yan. Kumikinang-kinang yan. C4. May C5. And lastly, my first C6 Genshin character. My dearest Hydro Archon, Farina. Ayan. Ayan ang kanyang stats. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of these pulls. I'm so proud of this build. Yan, may C6 R1 Farina. So medyo lucky yung spot na to for her. So tingnan natin yung effect niya pag nag-a-attack siya using her normal attacks. Pag naka-activate ni C6, oh my gosh. Can you see those bubbles? Can you see those sparkles? Those are the attacks of my dear Hydro Archon. My dear goddess Hydro Archon.